President Emmerson Mnangagwa is reportedly directed senior ZANU-PF officials to crack down on party members who are accused of accusing disruption on social media. Sanapenda mashoko atona kuti panguva ine mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe aiwa wada kukrasha vakomana vari kukonzeresa chaos pasocial media. Notable subscribe or like out on the bell kuti mina panapa mabuda nyumba mchinzi. The move comes amid growing internal tensions within the party, as Mnangagwa seeks to maintain control over his leadership and avoid any challenge to his authority. Mnangagwa's frustration with the party infighting, particularly regarding the ambition to extend his term of office, has led him to target members who may be leaking sensitive information online. His increasing concern with the social media dissent has promoted a more stringent approach to party discipline. On Monday, Mnangagwa publicly stated, "I will not seek to extend my term of office beyond the constitutional limits," attempting to quell speculation surrounding his intentions. However, sources suggest that his action against social media activity may indicate otherwise, signaling that he is feeling cornered by internal and external pressures. A statement released by ZANU-PF on Monday detailed a meeting held at the party's resolution party headquarters, where issues including the social media policy were discussed. The meeting was chaired by the Secretary General Dr. Obed Mpofu and attended by senior political members, directors, and deputy directors. Ndo mashoko atiri kuona kuti aiwa panguva ino mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe aiwa achityika panapa anoona kuti vanhu vemu same party make mavari kudiscasa angava maissue e2030 or the likes. Panapa muri kuona kuti they are the ones vari kulikisa sensitive information yemutungamiri wenyika. Zvatiri kuona kuti panapa avapa go ahead kuti bata vese vamuri kuona vari kukonzeresa chaos pasocial media. Tidze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechituko ichi? Penda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.